Hi, I'm Dorcas. In this super short video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that Google cannot see your website if you want it to be hidden, or make sure that Google can index your website if you want Google to find it. So here I am logged into my WordPress website, and on the left hand side, the last thing in the menu is settings. If it's not the last thing in the menu for you, it will be around the bottom. So click into settings and then click into reading. And then you can see this here down the bottom where it says search engine visibility. If this is ticked, then search engines like Google or Bing or Yahoo will not index your website. That means people won't be able to find it within Google. That could be a good thing if you're developing your website and you don't want Google to find it yet, or you don't want people to find it yet. If that is deselected, then Google could index your website. So sometimes what happens is people select this when they're developing the website, then make the website go live and forget to deselect this, which is a disaster if you want people to find your website. So that's all I want to say.